What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I got this really nice sleek middle part. So ever since I've been plucking my frontals like Millie, like Slay with Millie, I have been slaying my frontals, you guys. So this hair I received from Ruiyu hair, and this is their Brazilian straight. I have it in the lengths 18, 20, and 22 inches, which are very nice soft bundles. And I also have their 18-inch frontal. It has been pre-plucked just a little bit, but I did go in and pluck it some more. So here I already installed my unit. I just glued my wig. I'll leave a link down below how I make my wigs with glue, as well as applied my wig with Ghost Bond. So here I'm just brushing it all down and doing a middle part like so. You know, this video is kind of just self-explanatory, but I'm going to talk to you guys because y'all don't be liking when I just put music with it, even though it be so simple. So I'm taking some concealer, putting it on my part because I don't have a cap underneath. I just did another video, like a quick weave video, and I put the cap underneath and it is like flawless. I didn't have to use any concealer, but that's like an extra step. It's just like a little extra work when you do the cap, so it's bittersweet using it. So here I'm just sectioning off my hair so I can curl it, and I'm using these curlers from Olaxer. I'll leave a link down below. This is an Amazon based company and they're very affordable, so you get you know, a bang for your buck, because these are like my favorite curlers. So all I'm doing is curling my hair so I can have like some juicy loose beach curls. That's the look that I was going for. So in the front, I like to curl it all the way up to the top like I'm doing, so that it can like swoop and frame my face. And then as I go around, I just get looser. So I probably did about 11 curls total, so that I can have like a more loose, like I said, you know, beach curl look. So that's all I'm doing here. If you want your curls more full, what you will have to do is, you know, section your hair off top and bottom. Like do smaller sections pretty much. As you can see, my sections are pretty big. So that's all I'm doing here. And as y'all can see, this hair has a really nice luster to it. It's affordable. So definitely click the link down below so you can go and purchase this hair. And this unit I wore, I think 2 days. It wasn't too long that I wore this unit, but it was flawless curled. So I just curled the rest of my hair, and that's how it look with one side straight. And as you can see, I have some nice loose curls, and that's the exact look that I was going for. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my fingers and comb through my edges where the frontal is. So I'm just adding some, I think that's satin lotion. I don't think it's mousse. So add some satin lotion so I can have it pulled back. So I'm just creating like some little baby hairs, not too much, because I wanted to go for like a real natural middle part. So that's why I decided to like kind of push my hair back like that and then do my edges. And baby, it was just so flawless. Like, I knew I was getting better with doing my frontals, but now it just looks so good. And yeah, the got to be glue free spray that I'm using is going to make it hard, but by me adding that satin lotion first, it doesn't make it really hard. So you don't have to worry about your hair being hard and crunchy if you use the satin lotion first and then go in with the free spray. So I'm trying to do it so you can see those edges, honey. Yes. So look at that. Okay, I see you, sis. I see you. So I'm just gonna take my fingers, run through the hair so we can get these loose curls popping. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. So y'all definitely go and click the link down below so you can check out this hair. And definitely let me know what you think about this video. Very simple. Did a nice little middle part. Look at that. And the hair does hold a curl, so you don't have to worry about that either, because my hair stayed in that nice little loose curl wave as long as I wore the hair for the 2 days. So definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video and whatever else that you would like to see. As I stated, go and click the link down below so you can check out this hair. And yeah, that's it. Towards the end of the video, I tried to pull it up, but I don't have a hair bow because I'm out of town. But it will still look good if you pull it up, and I'm pretty sure if you change the part to the side. So all right, guys, I love you, and until next time, please thumbs up and subscribe to this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.